This is our cable rig. There's a lot you can do on this inside section here, so I'm going to explain some of the most popular moves that you can do. The first thing you want to do is adjust where your main anchor point is, or your pulley. And so you're going to grab this orange handle and pull it outward, and this will slide up and down. I'm going to start with a high anchor point to demonstrate some of the tricep exercises that we can do. But before we do that, we are going to adjust our weight stack. Again, there's an orange pin here, and you can stick it in any of the 10-pound increments here that you see. And it actually doesn't fit in the 15-pound, but it is magnetic. So if you stick it here, it's going to stay secure as you do the exercise. So I'm gonna actually start with 15 pounds. However, if I were interested in doing 20 pounds, something in between this, the fitness center does have these weights available at the front desk for you to exchange for your Eagle One ID. This one is 2.5 pounds, this one is 5 pounds. So whichever one you want to rent out, you go ahead and exchange your Eagle One, bring it back to the cable machine, and it simply slides on to add, in this case, 2.5 pounds, and here I'm going to add 5 pounds. So starting at our 15-pound, I have the rope attachment here. See the other video about how to add the attachment. You're gonna hold the handles, keeping your elbows close to your body, and starting position with your elbows at a straight line. Go ahead and extend your hands down, and then slowly bring it upward, stopping just above that 90-degree point. You don't wanna necessarily use the full body motion, because you're gonna start allowing your back to swing some of that weight. So keeping it straight and controlled is going to help with the triceps. Next, I'm going to show you how to use the same rope attachment, but for core. So you can put a mat on the ground if you'd like. Keeping the rope attachment, it's going to come on either side of your head, keeping it tight. In an upright crunch, we're going to squeeze forward, slight bend, and bring it up. This is very similar to our core machine that we have in the facility. But if someone's using it or you'd rather use the cable machine, this is a great option. We're going to exchange out this piece for our straight bar. Just kidding, we're gonna use it for a single handle because I'm gonna demonstrate our chest fly. So bring it down just a little bit more. If you wanted, you could use both sides of the equipment as long as it's available. So grabbing one handle in one hand, one in the other, walking forward to start with your hands in kind of a backwards position. Bring both hands forward and take them back. This is working your pectoral muscles or your chest muscles, and it's a really great exercise, especially with the cables. Finally, we're going to exchange this out for our straight bar. Nope. And then take it to its lowest anchor point. Again, think about what weight might work best for you. Starting low is always great, and then you can always add more if you feel like a lower weight isn't working out for you. So grabbing the straight bar, keeping the elbows close into the body for a bicep curl, we're gonna take it up and then slowly lower down, still keeping those elbows tight and secure. Again, we don't wanna take the elbows forward, and we don't wanna swing our whole body with it. But those are just a few of the exercises you can do on the inside of our cable rig. Please make sure that if you do rent out any of the equipment, that you bring it back, and that if you use any attachments, you clean up after yourself when you're all done.